Hey there, crypto fans. Get ready for an exciting journey into digital money with our latest video, Is the Dollar Facing Its Doom? Explore crypto's future. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have gone from being a small tech idea to trillion-dollar giants, changing how we think about money. But what's next for crypto? Will governments try to control it, shut it down, or accept it as the future? Crypto makes transactions faster and more private, and even lets you send money across borders. Could this be the new way we pay for things? Plus, central banks are working on their digital currencies. How will that change the game? Keep watching because by the end of this video, you'll have a sneak peek at the future of money. The digital money revolution. Over the last 10 years, cryptocurrencies have gone from being online experiments to becoming trillion-dollar game changers, shaking up how money works worldwide. People now use Bitcoin and other digital coins not just to invest but also to buy all sorts of things, apps, virtual land, and yes, even shady stuff. Supporters say these coins are like superheroes, taking the power of money away from big banks and putting it in our hands. But hold on, critics argue they're a disaster waiting to happen, fueling crime, inequality, wild price swings, and gobbling up vast amounts of electricity. Different countries can't agree on handling them. Some are rolling out the red carpet while others are slamming the door. And guess what? As of January 2024, over 130 countries, including the US, are cooking up their versions of digital money to keep up. But don't worry, crypto enthusiasts, we've got you covered with all the details and insights you need to understand how crypto could change the future of money and maybe even replace the dollar. If that sounds exciting, hit that like button and let's jump right into it. How do cryptocurrencies work? Cryptocurrencies might sound fancy, but they're just digital money made using super smart coding tricks called cryptography. Instead of banks, they use a network of computers to let people with virtual wallets trade directly. Every transaction gets written in a giant public notebook called a blockchain that no one can mess with, like a magical diary that never lies. Bitcoin, created in 2009 by a mysterious genius named Satoshi Nakamoto, is the famous one, once worth over $1 trillion. Others, like Ethereum, have joined the party and offered different perks. When you send or receive crypto, it's logged in a block and spread across the network so everyone agrees it's legit. It's private too, no names, addresses, or wallet numbers. Some coins like Monero promise even more privacy, but if someone figures out who owns a wallet, it's like peeling an onion. Every layer of your transactions gets exposed. And who makes this all run? Miners. These folks solve crazy math problems to keep the system alive and earn rewards like Bitcoin. But not all cryptocurrencies work the same way. Some use newer, greener methods like proof of stake. Bitcoin is particular because only 21 million coins will exist, making it like digital gold. Prices? They go up and down based on demand, but some coins, called stablecoins, are tied to real money. Sounds solid, right? Except when they broke their promises in 2022 and lost their value. So, is this digital money the future, or are we just scratching the surface of something bigger? The rise of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, have gone from being a weird thing tech enthusiasts loved to something that's taken over the world, with prices soaring to trillion-dollar levels. In November 2021, Bitcoin hit over $60,000 for the first time, though its value has since dropped. By mid-2023, around 17% of adults in the US had tried or invested in crypto. What makes them so popular? A big reason is that they're decentralized, meaning no bank is in charge and transactions can happen super fast and privately, even across countries, without anyone blocking them or charging fees. This has been a game changer for people in challenging situations, like activists in countries with strict governments. Some people buy cryptocurrencies hoping their value will increase, while others think Bitcoin can beat inflation because there's only a fixed number of coins out there. But when Bitcoin's price dived in 2022, even some crypto fans began to doubt this idea. Other coins like Dogecoin, which started as a joke, have still made much money thanks to big investors getting involved. Bitcoin's popularity is growing in countries with shaky funds, like parts of Latin America and Africa, with El Salvador even making it legal for people to pay taxes. But With Bitcoin's price changing so quickly, some wonder if it's practical for buying things. Enter stablecoins. These digital coins are meant to stay the same value so that they could be a better payment choice. They're fast, don't have high fees like credit cards, and could even help people who don't have a bank account. But with more people using them, regulators are keeping a close eye on stablecoins, especially after some crashes in 2022. Let's take a moment to appreciate your curiosity and interest in the future of money. If you found this look into how crypto might change the dollar and the financial world exciting and eye-opening, hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us as we keep bringing you more insightful content and continue exploring this fascinating journey together. Revolutionizing finance with blockchain. Imagine a world where you can borrow, lend, and trade money without needing banks or brokerages. Sounds crazy, right? Welcome to DeFi, or decentralized finance, where cryptocurrencies and blockchains change the game. It's like a digital Wall Street, but instead of traditional institutions taking big commissions, smart contracts automatically execute transactions when conditions are met. Most DeFi apps are built on the Ethereum blockchain, and experts say blockchain tech has many potential uses beyond cryptocurrency, like making international trade easier. You can imagine a whole new financial system built on blockchain-based tokens that are better than traditional money, says CFR's Malaby. You trust the code, the blockchain, and the decentralized ledger. It's a new way to organize finance. So are we ready to say goodbye to traditional banking and hello to the wild west of DeFi? Smart contracts are like a vending machine. You put in the right amount of coins, press the button, and you get your snack. No cashiers, no hassle, just a seamless transaction every time. Can we take the beast? Imagine a world where hackers can steal billions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency and bad guys can use it to buy and sell illegal stuff. Yeah, it's like a real-life video game, but not in a good way. Cryptocurrencies have opened up a whole new world of possibilities for cybercriminals, drug cartels, and even terrorists who can use them to launder money, evade sanctions, and fund their nefarious activities. And if that's not enough, cryptocurrency mining is also hurting the planet, using up more energy than entire countries. Some people think we can solve this problem by using renewable energy, but others are worried that cryptocurrencies are just too volatile and unregulated, which could lead to financial disasters. Some experts even called for a complete crypto ban after several big cryptocurrency firms went bankrupt and lost billions of dollars. Mining crypto is like running a giant factory without a green plan. It eats up electricity like a big vacuum cleaner, and the planet is paying the price, just like overusing your phone battery. Crypto regulations. So, how have cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin been around for a while now? Governments are finally starting to take notice and create rules to regulate them. Different countries have different approaches. Some are super chill about crypto, while others have banned them altogether. The US, for example, has taken a step forward by approving exchange-traded funds that include Bitcoin. However, there still needs to be more clarity on how to regulate crypto without stifling innovation. Even the SEC chairman has called the crypto sector a wild west. Meanwhile, countries like China have taken a hard stance against crypto, banning all transactions and mining. But the crypto exchanges are still raking in billions from countries that have restricted them, even with bans. Crypto regulations are like the rules of the road in a race. Some countries let you speed ahead with few restrictions, while others put up roadblocks that stop you from starting the engine. Central banks go digital. Imagine having a digital wallet that your country's central bank backs. Sounds like science fiction, right? However, many central banks, including the US Federal Reserve, are considering introducing their digital cash, known as central bank digital currencies. The idea is to offer the benefits of cryptocurrency like speed and security without the risks. Over 98% of the global economy is already exploring CBDCs, and 11 countries have fully launched them. China's even started counting its digital yuan in official currency circulation calculations. But experts warn that CBDCs could also create new problems, like centralizing too much power and data and compromising privacy and cybersecurity. It's like upgrading from a regular bike to a high-speed electric motorcycle. CBDCs give you the same freedom as regular money, but faster and smoother without the risk of cryptocurrencies' wild rides. The future of money is on the brink of a significant transformation, with cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology leading the way. From decentralized finance to the rise of central bank digital currencies, the financial world is shifting toward faster, more secure, and more accessible options. While challenges remain, crypto could reshape how we think about and use money. Will it replace traditional currencies like the dollar? Only time will reveal the answer. The journey has just begun, and it's one worth watching. If you found this exploration of the future of money and the role of crypto in shaping it exciting and insightful, hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Also, drop a comment below sharing your thoughts on whether crypto could replace the dollar and what topics you'd love to see in the future videos. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more valuable content as we continue this incredible journey together.